7 Untold Investment Plans to Earn Steady Income Like the Rich. What if I told you there's a way to earn money while you sleep, without breaking a sweat? Today, I'll reveal 7 powerful investment plans that will not only secure your future but guarantee a steady and regular income. Make sure you stay with me until the end because the last plan might just change your life. Welcome to Prince Sam Official Channel. Please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you. Step-by-step tips. 1. Fixed deposits, FDs. Why it's great. Safe, low risk, and provides guaranteed returns over time. How to use. Choose long-term or short-term FDs based on your needs and opt for cumulative options to reinvest interest. 2. Dividend-paying stocks. Why it's great. Earn regular income through dividends and enjoy capital appreciation. How to use. Invest in blue-chip companies known for consistent dividend payouts. Reinvest dividends to grow your wealth further. 3. Real estate rentals. Why it's great. Provides a consistent income through monthly rent while the property value appreciates. How to use. Invest in areas with high demand, like near universities or commercial hubs. 4. Mutual funds with monthly income plans, MIPS. Why it's great. Diversified, professionally managed, and offers regular payouts. How to use. Select MIPS tailored to your risk tolerance, and check for tax-efficient options. 5. Government bonds and securities. Why it's great. Extremely safe and offers predictable returns. How to use. Invest in long-term bonds for stability or explore inflation-linked bonds to protect against rising costs. 6. Peer-to-peer lending. Why it's great. Offers higher returns compared to traditional instruments, with periodic payouts. How to use. Use trusted platforms to lend small amounts to multiple borrowers to diversify risks. 7. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Why it's great. Real estate income without the hassle of managing property directly. How to use. Choose REITs focusing on commercial properties with high occupancy rates for better returns. These 7 investment plans can transform the way you think about wealth creation. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced investor, there's something here for everyone. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your regular income grow over time. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Prince Sam Official, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on wealth-building insights like these. Drop a comment below about which plan you'll start today. Remember, Prince Sam Official loves you all. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on how to grow your income, secure your future, and achieve financial freedom.